Could you tell us a little about your school?
So I come from a technical school in Indonesia called ATMI and SMK St. Michael, so the vocational high school St. Michael. So the school is set up by Switzerland, and we are doing training, vocational education in manufacturing, mechatronics, and design engineering. This is our school, ATMI and SMK St. Michael.
And this day you visited many LK factories and their clients. How about your feelings?
I feel very happy. This is the first time, by the way, I visit China, and during these 5 days we have been learning a lot. We exchanged some ideas. I really see what people tell about China, technology, manufacturing, product, whatever, and also learn from how people really engage in technology, and also the culture itself. It's really impressive.
Expectation for our future cooperation?
It's very encouraging, and we feel also we have to learn more together. We need to exchange some experiences. Especially we want to learn to send also our students to study hopefully in China, university or technical university. We would like to send also our instructors for training, for instance, and in general we want to learn your technology, not only plastic injection manufacturing, mechatronics, IT, what related to our technical school and vocational high school. This is our dream.